Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will explain you how to make subject of the formula. So this is also the topic of IGCSE and O levels. So what is the basically main trick of making subject of the formula? Trick is that the term being made subject should be positive. Just you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, so now I will solve some past paper questions. So let's start. Question number 1. Make H the subject of the equation. Equation is 2mH is equal to G into 1 minus H. So how will we solve it? We are going to make H the subject. So first of all, we will combine all the terms which contains H. 2mH as it is. G will be multiplied with 1, it will remain as G, minus G will be multiplied with H, so it will become minus GH. Now I will combine all the terms that contains H because I am going to make H the subject. So 2mH plus GH will come here, so it will become positive GH and G will remain there. So what I will do now, I will take H common from it. After combining all the terms that contains H, I will take H common. So 2m plus G will remain inside is equal to G. So now what I will do, H will remain here and G over 2m plus G. 2m plus G will be divided by G. So you can see we made here H the subject of the equation. So this is the way how you can make any variable the subject of the equation. So let's do some more examples. So all these are past paper questions that I am solving. Make X the subject of the equation. So the equation is m is equal to 2p plus under root x over y. So what I will do, m minus 2p, 2p will come with m and under root x over y will remain there. So because I have to make x the subject, so now I have to remove the square root. So I will take square on both sides. M minus 2p square, 2p whole square, x over y under root x over y whole square. So square and square root will be cancelled. M minus 2p whole square is equal to x over y. So as I have to make x the subject, so y will be multiplied with m minus 2p whole square. So that is our answer. You can also write it like that. X, we always write that variable on the left hand side. which we are going to make the subject. So x is equal to y into m minus 2p whole square. You can also open this bracket by using that identity a minus b whole square, but this all answer is also okay. So here we made x the subject of the equation. So let's do next example. Make y the subject. H square is equal to x square plus 2y square. Okay, now here I am going to make y the subject. So what I will do, h square minus x square will be on one side and 2y square will remain there. As y square is already positive there, so we will just simplify it. So if this would be negative, then we will try to make it positive. So but here it is already positive, so h square minus x square over 2 will be divided, so y square will remain there, and now we have to cancel the square of y, so we will take square root on both sides. So x square minus x h square minus x square over 2, and when we are taking square root we will add plus minus sign, and y square, if we are taking square here, y and square and square root will be cancelled, so y is equal to plus minus h square minus x square over 2 is the answer. So this is the way how we will make y the subject of the equation. Okay. Let's do one two more examples. Next past paper question. Make m the subject of the equation. These questions are very easy, just you have to know that how to solve, how to simplify the equations. So make m the subject of the equation. So the question is x is equal to 3m over 2 minus m. So m. So I have to combine all the terms that contains m. So first of all, I will do cross multiplication. X will be multiplied with 2 minus m. 3m will remain there. 2x minus xm is equal to 3m. So now I will combine all the terms that contains m. So as I told you, the variable that we are going to make the subject, that we will keep it positive. So as you can see that this is negative and it contains m, so we have to make it positive. This is already positive, so xm will go there, because we have to make positive all those terms uh, that contains the variable that we are going to make the subject. 2x will remain here, 3m plus xm. So now 2x is equal to, now what we will do, we will take m common. M will be common, so 3 plus x will remain inside, m will remain there, 2x over 3 plus x. So 3 plus x will be divided with 2x. So we made x the subject of the equation. Now we will arrange it like x will be, m will be on left hand side, so 2x over 3 plus x will be there. So this is our final answer. So we made here m the subject of the equation. Okay. Next question. Make h the subject of the equation. Equation is v is equal to 1 by 3 a h. So we are going to make here h the subject. So first of all, 3 will be multiplied with v. It will become 3v and ah will remain there. Now as I have to make h the subject, so a will be divided with 3v. So now we can arrange h is equal to 3v over a is the final answer. This was also very easy question. So one last past paper question I will solve. Make m the subject. J is equal to m by n minus k. So as I am going to make here m the subject, so first of all k will come here, k will come with j and it will become positive. So j plus k is equal to m over n. So now as I am going to make m the subject, so n will be multiplied with j plus k like that, and that is our final answer. Simple. This was also very simple question. Okay, so I hope you have understand this topic. So if you have understand and if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and if you have any question, any suggestion, you can leave in comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.